feller took the money and started away. When he was going out of the door, he sorter jerked his thumb over his shoulders this way. And Dan'l says again, very deliberate, "Well, I don't see no pints about that frog. It's any better than any other frog." Smiley, he stood scratching his head, looking down at Dan'l a long time, and at last he says, "I do wonder what in the nation that frog throwed off for. I wonder if there ain't something the matter with him. He appears to look mighty baggy somehow." And he catched Dan'l by the nape of the neck and lifted him up and says, "I blame my cats if he don't weigh 5 pound." And turned him upside down, and he belched out a double handful of shot. And then he see how it was, and he was the maddest man. He set the frog down and took out after that fella, but he never catched him. And here Simon Wheeler heard his name called from the front yard and got up to see what was wanted. And turning to me as he moved away, he said, "Just sit where you are, stranger, and rest easy. I ain't gonna be gone a second." But by your leave, I did not think that a continuation of the history of the enterprising vagabond Jim Smiley would be likely to afford me much information concerning the Reverend Leonidas W. Smiley, so I started away. At the door, I met the sociable Wheeler returning, and he buttonholed me and recommenced. "Well, this year Smiley had a yaller, one-eyed cow that didn't have no tail, only just a short stump like a banana, and—" "Oh, hang Smiley and his afflicted cow," I muttered good-naturedly, and bidding the old gentleman good day, I